Hey everyone, this is Cliff Alexander with UTO Training. Just to let you know about this great contest that's going on right now. It's a 9-day challenge. Currently we're on day 2 of this 9-day challenge. Here is the links to the 9-day challenge. It's photoshop.adobelanding.com/daily-challenge. This is where you get all the information you need to know about the 9-day challenge. It's not a challenge for those people who are Photoshop professionals. It's a 9-day challenge for people like you and me who just want to go ahead, put something together, design it for everyday type of use, and showing you how to use certain things in Photoshop. You don't need to know all the little tools and stuff like that. They're going to go over it in the daily challenge. It's a short video. Go ahead and give you some great information and help you out. Check us out at links.asu.edu/UTO training, and it'll take you over to our UTO training page where you can go ahead, look at whatever types of workshops that we have going on. Do you have that one program that you just want to go over real quick to understand it? We have open studio hours. This is where we take an hour and just go ahead and go over that type of program that you're looking for. If you have any kind of questions and want to set up a studio or a time, you can go ahead and just email us about that. If you're looking for information on digital portfolios, showing you great techniques in how to use a digital portfolio, keeping you connected with the Adobe suites, with Casey Davis teaching you InDesign and Illustrator, Cliff Alexander showing you how to use Photoshop, Premiere Pro, and After Effects. If you have any other questions about certain programs that you're not familiar with, email us at utotraining@asu.edu with any kind of questions that you may have. And if you'd like to contact us for any information in particular, you can visit us at our contact page where you'll find emails for Jason Ninos, Casey Davis, and Chris Lee, and of course myself, Cliff Alexander, here at UTO Training. Thank you very much, and you have a good day.